Alright, so welcome to day 26 of our 30 days Python coding challenge. So what we'll be doing today now is finding a missing number. So you have been following and you still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, it's unfair. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, click the subscribe button right there. Alright, so give it a pause and try and do this now. So we are going to have a list of numbers. We're going to collect from the users. Then we are going to replace this number, make sure it is from 1 to an n number, which is the number that will be given. Then we want to find out the missing number. For example, now if we have this list input here, this is from 1 to, if the list should be like this, but it is given like this, we know that 4 is missing. So go ahead and pause this video and give it a try. Alright, were you able to do something? And yeah, let us know your approach you took in the comment section, and were you able to solve it, or you had to watch the solution. Alright, fine. So alright, so I'm just going to say alright, now input enter no of numbers. Alright, cool. I just want to strip this. So now I want to have my array right here. I want to use list and map again. So we're back to list and map right here. So my input now, and I'll just say no. It's a number. Alright, so and here now I can use the strip. Okay, so that is good and ready to go. So now what we want to do now is to have a set, right? So we can just have a for loop now, or we can say, okay, now I want to get a full set first, and this full set will now be set. We are getting the value of 1 to n plus 1 in range. So this is going to, let's just maximize this. This is going to give us numbers from 1 to n plus 1. Just exactly like that. So now we're now to get a missing set now. So what we just do right here is just go ahead and just say we want to have a missing, and we just want to say sorted full set minus a set of this array itself. So this is going to return the missing value in this array itself. Okay, so the element that is present in full set but not present in the set itself is going to return it. So we can just go ahead and now print our join. So we want to have some space there. The join.map, and here we want to map string, the function string, to this iterable missing. So now we can just go ahead and run this program and see. So let's say we want to try 8 numbers first, then I'm trying 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, okay, 6, 7 now. I'm stripping that. So 5 and 8 is missing from this. So that is how you find the missing number is in Python using a coding challenge. This is a coding challenge that you should do. Alright, so that is nice. Isn't this wonderful? Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos and challenges like this, and let me know the kind of content you want in the comment section. So alright, that'll be all for today. Bye bye.